You've practiced the techniques, you know how to set up the lights, but now it's about figuring out when to use which setup. This question ties into the 5 basic portrait lighting patterns that I recommend all my students learn to create using just one light. Now, understanding these 5 patterns gives you a solid foundation. Once you've mastered these patterns, you're going to be well on your way to successfully using 2, 3, or more lights in a portrait setup. Now, these patterns are broad lighting, short, Rembrandt, butterfly, and split lighting. And I totally get it. After practicing these patterns and being able to create them on demand, knowing why you choose to use one over another might not be obvious at first. Okay, so let's break it down. Let's talk about why you might pick short lighting over broad lighting, or when butterfly lighting might be more appropriate than a split or Rembrandt pattern. Let's start with broad lighting. This is typically used when you want to widen someone's face. It's great for subjects with thinner faces, or if you want to create a more open, friendly look. Short lighting is kind of the opposite of broad lighting, and this setup narrows the face and adds more shadow, making it great for a slimming effect or when you're going for a more dramatic, moody portrait. Rembrandt lighting is recognizable by the triangle of light on the cheek. Now, it's not always a perfect triangle, but it comes close. And Rembrandt lighting is a classic pattern that adds a mix of drama and depth. It's perfect for creating a sense of intensity or seriousness in a portrait. Butterfly lighting, named for the butterfly-shaped pattern it creates under the nose. This pattern is often used in beauty and glamour photography. It's flattering, emphasizes the cheekbones, and is great for creating a polished, elegant look. And it's also sometimes called Hollywood or Paramount lighting. Then there's split lighting, and this one splits the face into equal halves of light and shadow, creating a strong dramatic effect. It's perfect for when you want to convey mystery or tension or a more artistic vibe. Here's the thing, there are no hard and fast rules when it comes to choosing one of these traditional lighting patterns. My advice, go with what looks good to you. Remember, more shadows add more drama, making a portrait feel serious or mysterious, and less shadows creates an open, friendly, happy vibe. We typically use one light, the key light, to create the basic shadow pattern. But on its own, this light can create pretty strong contrast. And that's where the second light, the fill light, comes in. And the fill light helps control the contrast by filling in deep shadows created by that main light, making the portrait less dramatic or serious. Don't forget about other lights like rim, kicker lights, hair lights, and background lights. These all play a role in crafting the final mood and look of your portrait. Now, if you're really interested in learning about how to get started with good, solid portrait lighting, I highly recommend you download my free guide, the 10-minute guide to off-camera flash. This is going to get you on the fast track to taking beautiful portraits with your flash. And this free bonus bundle also includes the very handy camera bag checklist, photo shoot notebook sheet so that you can have a convenient way to jot down your lighting setups and all your settings for a particular shot. This is really a good way to build up your own lighting recipe notebook. Plus, you'll also get a couple of model release templates that I use for my portrait shoots. Click the link in the video description below to get all of this for free. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I try to answer all questions. That's about all I've got for you today. See you next time.